Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to Nancy's Homestead. I just want to share this channel with you and introduce myself. I'm a mom from Connecticut, Zone 5B, 6 kids, 5 girls and a boy, and 7 beautiful grandchildren, 2 more on the way, and lucky to be the homeowner of this beautiful property that my husband and I bought a year ago. And we've been married over 40 years and finally got our first home. We raised our kids and did some other things first and then decided we did want to be homeowners. We did for a long time. So we bought the house, and I'll show you, I'll tell you in some of the other videos how we were able to finally buy the house, what it took for us to get this, and some of the gardening knowledge that I have, gardening tips, propagating, sowing seeds, building raised flower beds, building greenhouses, turning this beautiful property into a small farm, hopefully to save money on taxes, just all kinds of how-tos and things that we're doing around here, everything from cooking and sharing recipes and all kinds of stuff. So I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of stuff, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you there. Take care. Be kind.